People call this bird the dumbest bird on earth. Look at it. The blank stare. The stiff posture. It can stand there for hours without moving. That's exactly why the shoebill got its reputation. To us, it looks confused, even clueless. But here's what most people don't realize. That stillness isn't stupidity, it's strategy. Shoebills are ambush hunters. They lock their eyes on the water and wait patiently for the perfect moment. No chasing, no panic, just precision. When a fish surfaces, one powerful strike. They can target tough prey like lungfish, remember successful hunting spots, and conserve energy by striking only when success is almost guaranteed. That empty stare? It's intense focus. The shoebill isn't dumb. It's patient, efficient, and incredibly smart. Sometimes the quietest animals are the most calculated hunters.